how to withdraw money from Payoneer. Here's how it works, a step-by-step guide. First, you will need to sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you will click on withdraw and convert. Now you will see the option withdraw to bank, and you want to choose that one. It is going to ask you which balance you are trying to withdraw from, so you want to choose the balance which you are going to be taking money out of. For this, I'll do USD balance, and you want to click on next. Now it's going to ask you for the bank account which you want to deposit to. As long as you have previously linked your bank account, you can choose it here and click on next. Here it is going to ask you for the sum of money which you want to withdraw, and also you have the option of scheduling a payment or setting a target rate. Type the amount which you want to withdraw, click on next. Next you will have to add the transaction details. Just review your information and you will click on submit, and that's how you withdraw your money from Payoneer to your bank account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.